Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Python interview questions. That is, how do you concatenate two lists in Python? Let me answer. In order to concatenate two lists in Python, there are two ways. That is, by using the plus operator, we can concatenate. And also by using the extend built-in function also, we can concatenate. Even though both plus and extend built-in function can be used for concatenating two lists, there is a small difference between them. That also I'm going to cover in this session. So let me quickly switch to this practical mode, okay, to this PyCharm IDE where I'm going to demonstrate this how to use plus and extend to concatenate two lists in Python. First, I'll go with the plus, okay. First, I'll create a list, guys. I'll say list one is equal to give, okay, square brackets and give some values 9 comma 1 comma 5 comma 7. I'll create one more list, that is list 2, and I'll give other set of values like 6 8, okay, 4 2. So 9157 is one list and 6842 is the list elements of the second list. Now if I have to concatenate these two lists, I would use plus operator, that is list 1 plus list 2, okay. The outcome of this, okay, the addition of this or concatenation of this two lists here, plus is acting like a concatenation operator for this two lists, guys. The result should be stored in another list, guys. So I have to create one more list, that is I'll say list 3 is equal to, okay, list 3 will contain the concatenated combination of this concatenation of this two lists, guys. That is it will list 3 will contain 8 elements, that is 9157 6842 will be there. If I print out list 3, you will get the concatenated result of these two lists. That is, the two lists will get concatenated, will still get stored in the list 3. You see, 9157 6842. Okay, concatenated list came. Now, what about the original list 1 and list 2? They will not get updated, guys. They will be same. Only we are concatenating and storing the result into concatenated result to another list. But original two lists will be same, guys. Okay, if I print list 1, if I print list 2, both will be same. Okay. Here list 1 will contain only 9157. Even after concatenation also, the list 1 will contain 9157. List 2 will contain 6842. Now run this. 9157, 6852, 6842. Okay. So without affecting the original list, if you want to concatenate these two lists and store them into, okay, the final list, okay, or a new list, then we have to go with this plus operator, guys. But what if I concatenate these two lists with the help of extend built-in function? In that case, the original list will get impacted, okay, or will get modified, okay. The concatenation result of these two lists will get stored in the original list. I'll show you how. So here, instead of creating a new list like list 3, what I'm going to do is I'll say list 1 dot extend inbuilt function. I'll give list 2 here. I'm extending the list 1 with list 2, okay. I'm extending the list 1 with list 2, guys. So what happens here, I don't have to create another list, okay. The list 1 itself is getting extended with the list 2. List 2 will be as it is, but list 1 is getting extended with list 2. That means list 1 will contain, before extending the list 1 has only 4 elements, but after extending the list 1 with list 2, list 1 will contain 8 elements, guys, okay. Here see, if I am printing list 1, before extending this list 1 with the list 2, if I am printing list 1 like this, it will contain only 4 elements. But after extending the list 1 with the list 2 and then I am printing the same list 1, it will contain 8 elements. That is, this list, second list elements will also be part of the first list. Okay, run this. You see, list 1 before extending is 9157, whereas the same list 1 after extending with the list 2 will contain the list 2 elements included 9157 6842. But list 2 will be same, guys. Okay, list 2 will not have any difference, guys. Not change. It will still contain 6842 only. Okay, you see, list 2 is only containing 6842 after extending, but list 1 is extended with list 2. It contains all the elements of both list 1 and list 2. So guys, if you don't want to get this original list getting updated with the concatenation thing, then we have to use plus operator. Okay, for concatenation purpose, you have to use plus, where the plus will result in plus of the addition of this or concatenation of these two lists will result in another list. But in this case of extend, the original list will get updated, okay, extended, okay. That's the difference case, okay. Depending on your situation, either you can use plus or you can use extend built-in functions in Python for concatenating two lists in Python. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to answer another Python interview question for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.